Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is slim and lightweight and comes with a seamless metal unibody. This tablet weighs 467 grams, making it easy to carry with you. It is available in Oxford Grey, Angora Blue and Chiffon Pink color variants. The Samsung Tab comes with a 4GB RAM for smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. It also features 64GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 1TB to let you store all your pictures and videos at one place. The tablet comes with single SIM configuration with Wi-Fi and LTE support. The Samsung Tab comes with a 10.4-inch display. It has dual speakers with Dolby Atmos sound that delivers rich and 3D sound for an immersive audio and video experience. It also comes with S Pen that can be used for writing on the Galaxy S6 Lite. The tablet comes with an 8-megapixel rear and 5-megapixel front camera. It runs on Android operating system with Exynos 9611 octa-core processor, making it ideal for running multiple apps. Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite runs on a 7040 mAh battery. The box includes tablet, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin and user manual. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.